Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to post full-size photo on Instagram. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our Instagram app, of course. And after that, just go here on your profile icon or just click this post button right here. And then click post. After that, just select the photo that you want to upload. So let's say for example, we want to upload this photo, but as you can see right there, this photo is long. But Instagram only allows 1x1 photo. So first thing that we need to do is to make sure that we use this icon right here so that our picture can be longer. So as you can see right there, we now have the border for our photo. And if you click next, and then next again, just click OK, and then click share, and wait for it. And as you can see right there, our photo is not 1x1, it is a longer photo. But if you have a longer photo that is not fitted in this type of resolution or ratio, then the next thing that we need to do is to edit the image. So just go on your Play Store and then download PixArt. But in my case, I have already downloaded it. So I'm just gonna open my PixArt. And after downloading, just open your PixArt, and after that, click this icon right here on the bottom, and then scroll down until you see this color backgrounds. So click it, then just click this white background right here, or you can choose what kind of color you would like. So let's say this, for example, we want color blue right here. Then the next thing that we need to do is to add our photo. So just scroll down right here on the bottom until you see add photo, and then just add the photo that you want to post. So as you can see right there, our photo is now in the image. So let's just adjust it that it is fitted on the image. So just like that, as you can see, the image is now fitted on the image, which is the 1x1 ratio. And let's say for example, you are now contented with this. So just click this download button right here, and then it will now be saved to your photo gallery. Just click close, or maybe you're not content with this, so all we have to do is click X right here, and then go back on the home page, and then let's just say we want to choose white color. So just click that, and then click add photo again, and then add the photo that we want, which is this one right here, and then add. So if you don't want the way the photo look, so all we have to do is to click this crop right here. So let's say for example, we want to crop photo that we want to upload. So we can just adjust it like this. So let's say for example, we want this photo like this, and then just click, and after that, just adjust it again in full size. And after that, as you can see right there, we now have the photo that we want to. So just click check again, and then click download, and of course just click close. Just go back on your Instagram app and upload again the photo you want. Just click photos, click this one right here, and click next, and then click next again, and then it will now be processed. You can add something like this again, you can choose, you can edit this one, whatever you like, and then click share. So as you can see, this image, this background is much better compared to this blue background, since it blends with the color of the Instagram, which is color white. But if you want this to be color black, then you can also edit this to be color black. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.